Welcome aboard as we dive into the fascinating world of ship maneuvering. What makes a massive vessel glide through water with such precision? It all starts with the steering mechanisms. The rudder pivots to redirect water flow and change direction, while propellers provide the necessary thrust. Maneuvering techniques involve adjusting the rudder and engine power to turn a ship. Stopping requires reducing speed and sometimes using reverse thrust, making it a delicate operation. Docking and undocking are high-stakes maneuvers where precision is crucial, and this is often where tugboats lend a helping hand. Several factors affect maneuverability, including environmental conditions, like wind and currents, as well as the ship's size and design. Larger vessels need more space and time to change direction. To enhance control, many ships use advanced systems like bow thrusters for lateral movement and azimuth thrusters that can rotate 360 degrees. Navigators rely on radar, sonar, and GPS to stay on course and avoid obstacles. So the next time you see a ship gracefully navigating the waters, remember the intricate dance of technology and skill that makes it all possible.